When you are in the market for a new house, it is important to know what you're looking for and how to find it. We will compile a list of the most important things to consider when purchasing a home, such as location, budget, and size. Firstly, it is essential to think about the location. Does the home need to be close to schools, public transportation, or place of worship? How about proximity to your work? Secondly, set a budget that you can afford. Make sure to include all the expenses such as monthly mortgage payments, property taxes, utilities, and maintenance, and so on. Thirdly, consider the size of your new home. Do you need a lot of bedrooms, large kitchen, outdoor spaces? Make a list of your must-have and be sure to stick to it during your home hunt. Don't forget to do your research. Look into the neighborhood, visit open houses, and take your time to make an informed decision. Remember that buying a home is a significant investment, so take the time to find the right one for you and your family. By following these tips, you will be on your way to purchasing the perfect dream home. Please contact us for more information and let us help you to find your dream home.